In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted Google Sites. If you've accidentally removed a site, there's a good chance you can bring it back in just a few clicks, as long as it hasn't been permanently deleted. I'll walk you through the process and share a few helpful tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, go to Google Drive, open your browser and head to drive.google.com. If you're prompted, sign into the Google account that owns the site. It's important to be in the correct account because trash is unique to each account and you'll only see items that you deleted or that were deleted within drives you can access. Next, click Trash on the left. Depending on your interface, it might be labeled Bin. If you don't see it immediately, expand the left sidebar or click More to reveal additional options. Trash is where Drive temporarily stores items you remove before they're permanently deleted, so this is the place to look for your missing Google site. Now find the deleted site. Google Sites files show a small site's icon and are named with your site's title. If your trash contains a lot of items, use the search bar at the top or sort by last modified to bring the most recent deletions to the top. You can also open the search filter and set the file type to sites to narrow your results. Keep in mind that most deleted items remain in trash for about 30 days, unless your organization uses a different retention policy or you emptied trash earlier. When you've located the site, right-click it and select Restore. Drive will move the file out of trash and back to its original location in your drive. After a moment, you can open the site directly from Drive or by visiting sites.google.com. Your content, layout, and sharing settings should be the same as they were when the site was deleted. If the site had a published URL, restoring it generally brings it back without requiring you to republish. A few quick tips if something isn't working as expected. If Restore is unavailable or you can't find the site, it may have been permanently deleted or you may not have the permission needed to restore it. In shared environments, only users with sufficient access can restore items they deleted. If you restored the site but don't see it where you expected, use Drive Search with the site name to locate its original folder and refresh your browser to update the view. That's all there is to it. By checking trash in Google Drive and choosing Restore, you can quickly recover a deleted Google site and get right back to work.